we back with another vlog. Yeah, let's get it. So yeah, anyways, and I got a few like new vintage pieces that I picked up and took from my store. And then I actually got a package. Yeah, here, let me unboxing for that. And I'll show you all the vintage pieces that I picked up and my thrift haul towards the end of this video. So stay and watch till the end of the video. And I hope you guys enjoy this little vlog. But yeah, I got a package from Boohoo. I got some pants and knit. Yeah, I picked up a knit from there. So I'm gonna do a little, I'll put on the pants in the video and whatever, show you guys what it looks like. But first, before we head out, I just gotta get ready. I just don't know what to wear right now, which is the only thing, because I'm not sure like if I should wear jeans or shorts. It's like plus 14 out. I got jeans or these jorts. And I'm gonna wear my new vintage 90s dirt biking long sleeve. I think that's so sick. I want to recreate that for my brand. Like, oh, I just love it. I just think that the colorways, the styles of those are so sweet, and I love motocross. So yeah, like, you can't tell me this is not hard. Like, just check this out. Check this top out. Oh yeah, hold on. Before we show you guys the top, look at my slippers. Yeah, but anyways, this is the top. Like, I love it. I'm gonna wear the jean short or the jeans because it looks like it's gonna rain out and it's plus 14 out. Not the hottest jeans. Woo. These are my favorite jeans. Kind of overwear them, but. So we quickly did a little first stop and got some breakfast here. We are at Galaxy, nice little diner place, a little retro spot, super sweet. $12 for this. Crazy. Their food is gas, so if you're ever in Calgary, Alberta, you guys gotta go get your breakfast at Galaxy. But anyways, we're gonna go get a tea now from a little coffee shop on 17th Ave. Look what I got from Galaxy, a little bubble gum. Check out Gavin's fit. Overalls, Carhartt, sick. Show them. Turn around. Yeah, there you go. So we just picked up a chai tea latte, or chai latte. Yeah, no, their chai lattes are pretty good. Kind of addicting. We just arrived to the first thrift, so yeah, let's get in there and see what we can find. Check out this tea. So far, the thrift's ass. But check out this tea. No bad days. Okay, so this is kind of sweet, but a little newer. Both. I use this Burger King top. Kind of sick, low-key. Like, who be donating their Burger King uniform? Like, come on. Well, that was kind of disappointing. There's legit nothing. I left that at DC hoodie. It was pretty new, so I just left that behind. Make this a series with $100 challenge. Dollars into like $1,000 or something at the thrift. Yeah, I've arrived at the next thrift store, so we'll check it out. See what we can find here. $10, a nice little university crew neck. Not bad. Pretty picky when I'm thrifting, but yeah, there's legit nothing in here. Everything's all over picked and stuff, and it's, yeah, thrifts these days are just not that good anymore. The third thrift here. We're gonna check it out, see what hopefully we can walk out with something. But yeah, just like I said, I'm so picky. Sad day for the thrifts. We checked out 3 thrifts and unfortunately didn't find anything that I like there, but yeah. Well, let's go home. I'll show you my recent pickups and unbox my Boohoo package. Yeah, me and Gavin are just quickly whipping up some smoothies before we get outside, go play pickleball or play some ball. Make it a little bit more creamy. Damn, look at this. Blueberries, strawberries, bananas, and protein peanut butter powder, and a scoop of peanut butter. And some water. Oh, I love that stuff. Yeah, beautiful out. It was pouring rain a couple hours ago, but now it's nice and warm out. Sometimes you just gotta take in the moments, right? The great moments, and just live it. Oh, I'm gassed. Woo! Almost done. So I just showered up from that run. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the recent pickups that I got lately. But it's good it's raining out right now, but hopefully it starts to get warm out. Yeah, I do love the rain. It's good. We need more rain too here. I love when it's nice and green and the smell. Just a really good feeling. So I ordered 3 items from Boohoo. I got these pants. Yeah, Boohoo, they actually have like good quality, and like their stuff is like on point. Like what they show in the photos is what you get, and like the reviews and stuff, like it's not no offense, minimal.la, like I order stuff from there and it comes and it's not what it is. Like it's just fits 3 sizes smaller, 3 sizes bigger than what it says, and it's just like the quality kind of like sucks a little. Like when I wash it, it'll shrink instantly. These ones are kind of similar, but more of the carpenter style, like how like people wear the car double knees. It has that, which I really love. I love these ones more. Yeah, I love these ones. I wish they had the ones I'm wearing right now. I wish they had the zipper like this and the string on these ones. Like that would have just topped these ones off for sure. I got this sick cardigan. Quality is pretty good for a $30 buy. Like this is $30. You can't go to the mall and pick up a nice knit like this for $30. Like Zara would be selling this for like probably like 100. Yeah, let's try this on. I'm loving this. I almost wish I got a size small just to fit here tighter, but I'll try and wash it, see if it shrinks. But normally when I wash their stuff, it doesn't really shrink that much, or it doesn't at all. But yeah, no, I love this. And then I got a few items from my vintage shop and a few items from a buddy that sells vintage also. So I got this vintage socks, baseball jersey, logo 7 tag. I love this. This would be my summer go-to right here with a white shirt underneath. This also from him. This is super cool. I love this. And then I honestly had these for a while in my shop and they weren't selling, so I just kept this because I love this. And I was like, yo, like I might have to customize this for my brand, maybe like take that kind of similar idea, change it into my brand. Star Wars 90s, so sick. I've been collecting Star Wars stuff lately, so yeah, this is a personal. I gotta keep that one for sure. But yeah, if you guys want to see my entire vintage and streetwear collection, please let me know. I'll make a video on that for you guys. And my even like a sneaker collection. I'll be showing you guys all my sneakers and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's a wrap. I'm gonna end this vlog here. I gotta start editing my other vlogs, get those out for you guys. But anyways, I love you all. Thank you all for supporting me so much. It means a lot. And yeah, I got a lot of big things coming this summer for you guys. And yeah, you guys just be ready. Just be ready, please. This is gonna be some crazy vlogs and stuff. But anyways, peace.